Hi guys! In this video, I will be showing you guys how to create a sliced text effect in Photoshop. Let's add a different background color to see the effect clearly. First, let's type the text. Let's transform it and place in the center. Let's take the polygon lasso tool and take the part of the text to be sliced. Then, let's add a layer mask to it. Then duplicate the layer and invert the layer mask by pressing Ctrl and I. Use the Move tool and move a part of the text to bring up the sliced effect. Then select the duplicated layer by clicking on the layer mask while holding the Ctrl key. Next, let's create a new layer and select the brush tool and take the black color. And guys, if you haven't joined our WhatsApp channel, join now using the link given in the description and pinned comment for more updates and resources. Adjust the settings of the brush tool and brush it as shown to get the shadow effect. It will give a more attractive and a clear-cut effect. Okay, now the sliced text effect looks wonderful. Okay guys, now our text effect is done perfectly. Thank you very much and see you in another video. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to our channel and join the family. Thank you.